today we're going to be showing you how to set up a YouTube studio space.
We recently come across this in our old place and we loved it, but things happened, we had to move, so now we're just going to transfer it over here and show you how we set up.
All you really need is just a backdrop of some sort and a curtain rod. And if you don't even want to buy a curtain rod, you could honestly just get some brackets from the hardware store and like a wood dowel. Bada boom, bada bing, even cheaper, probably cost me less than $10. Backdrop, on the other hand, a little bit more pricier, but still very affordable if you want to do this.
So affordable that we're broke and we
have like
5? we tend to make new occasions to buy a new one. Like, oh my god, I got my haircut today, let's celebrate with a backdrop.
So we're going to take you on the journey, show you how it's done, so you can do it too.
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it. Here we go.
The first thing we're going to set up is this beautiful metro rack. It used to be in our pantry at our old place, but we don't have the space for a pantry anymore.
Unfortunately not. We actually have a lot of kitchen space, so this could be our film rack.
Yeah, it's going to hold all our stuff. Let's put it together.
Let's do it.
Oh, it pinched me! Pinched.
Pinched. Get my cards and... Oh. It's so cute. It's so light.
It doesn't take film. It doesn't film. It only takes pictures. Next up.
Next up.
We have to drill holes into this beautiful, clean canvas of a wall and put up our curtain rod. Now it needs to be at least 53 inches apart because that's how big our paper rolls are, and it's got to be at least taller than Dalton.
That's true. We'll link down below what rolls we use for our backdrops.
Kind of below. Wow!
She's beautiful!
She doesn't need to be level, she's perfect just the way she is.
That's true. Oh. I mean, like, it could be worse.
If the light is center, is she not center?
That's so true. We should have made it more this way though.
Now we just get to peel all our beautiful colors.
Ready?
Be free! So you've seen all the colors before, but introducing flamingo pink.
Blue Jay.
Jay. Canary yellow.
Our first baby.
And last but not least, I think, is this the newest edition we've had?
It is.
Evergreen green.
Green.
Fancy.
It's taller than before too.
Oh, I'm so short. I'm so short.
I got you.
The grand reveal. Wow. She looks so much smaller in this space. Wow. She looks so tiny.
She does look kind of tiny, doesn't she?
Why does she look so tiny? Is this how big she always was?
I think so.
And that's how you set up a studio space. Super easy.
It is super easy. All you just need is your lights.
We use a ring light. She gorgeous.
Whoa.
That's all you need to look super professional like we do. There you have it. Easy peasy.
Beautiful.
Some pain, getting pinched by a metro rack, but
it was more of a battle than I thought it would be. I'm sweating.
So sweaty. Thank you so much for watching our studio setup space. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got a lot of information out of it.
And I hope maybe you get inspired to make your own studio.
And if you do, let us know what you do, and if you do something better than us.
We're always improving, so let us know what you do to make our space even better.
Thanks, guys. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit that little bell,
Ring ring.
be notified every time we have a video out. We'll see you next week.
See you next week. Goodbye.
Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna go.